At the training sessions I would inform players of upcoming school visits. It was exciting being able to interact with the players and the schools, knowing that both parties are benefiting from the experience. I had been assigned other tasks like creating game day activations and help produce halftime games while my confidence was growing. So was my understanding of how important networking is, especially in a sports organization. Communication is a major part of this. It's a skill that will be the key to success in my opinion. I feel as if I had a successful experience as I was able to communicate with everybody. I was able to ask questions about anything to help develop my knowledge as a person. Whilst asking questions I discovered that working for the Kings is a massive commitment. The staff work excessive hours, especially on game day. After attending a game day, the efforts are impossible to oversee, and having been included in game day preparation, it's so rewarding seeing everything come together. I have learned that I would like to pursue a career with a sports organization, and I have gained some valuable knowledge. I also have so much respect for anybody working in a sports organization, as it's a job that needs you to be committed and make sacrifices to be the slightest bit successful.